Hey guys, Silver Game of Thrones here. So new video today, and I want to complete my unstock 5 ounce coins. So today I got another one. So I had 4. This is what you see. This is my collection. Beautiful, beautiful coin. It's one of the best of my collection. And by the way, they are going on huge discount except of this one. This one is gone. This is a water dragon. This is gone. I don't know, for some reason, this is getting the best attention, you know, much more attention than any other. But for me, you know, there is no single coin. I only buy collections, okay? So for me, it has an equal value between all of them. It's equal value. But for some reason, people are buying this, but they don't buy, you know, all of them. There are a lot of people who collect like just a dragon, you know. They pick up one dragon from one collection, another dragon from another collection. It's not my toast. I don't understand this. I always collect, you know, like a group of coins, like collection. So, okay. So today we get another package. I already opened it. I save your time and my time. So let's see what we have here. It's a Upmax. It's a pushing 9 fine mint. After 15 years of leading precious metals retailer, we introduce 5/9 mint silver bars to put a modern take, a truly classic production. They have a 2 ounce silver cross, you see. They have silver rounds. And this is a picture, you know, what they have. So if you're fan of a 9 fine mint, I am not. It's too simple to me, to my choice, you know. It's just too simple. I don't like too much complicated, but it's just, you know, I don't see any value, real value, you know, over any generic silver. Yeah, so it's this was a promote, and of course this is one more. Boom! Whoa! Whoa, this is School Embrace. School Embrace, limited edition. 5 trout ounce. 0.27 from 500. Unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah, because it's still for sale. And somehow the capsule is different. You see how beautiful it is? It has H number. I have huge respect to this, to H number. But if you compare to any other coin, they're a little bit different, you see. They have lines, and they don't have lines, it's just flat. And also, this, it doesn't have this, you know, pass kind of, you know, empty, you see. It doesn't have. All 4, this is all 4, they have it, and this is last one, they don't have it. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's not part of this collection, but it's it's dragon. If you look into this, you know, in a certificate, you see part of this collection. Unstock, dragons, School Embrace, friend of Foyer. Yeah, it's part of this collection. They never say, you know, which number is this, but this is how it is. Okay, so let's a little bit review what we have, refresh your memory. So the first one was Noble Dragon. That's a beautiful guy. Yeah. That's a nice one. Yeah, Noble Dragon. 500 pieces, 5 ounces of silver. On a stock. I believe it's anonymous mint. Yes, anonymous mint, coin design produced. I have big respect. And if you know, guys, I collect anonymous mint, and I have almost all coins from them. One day I will do everything what I have from anonymous mint. So it's magnificent dragon with a large cross, and spike tail, powerful stance high up on a rocky vantage point. And there are some small, you know, birds around. Beautiful. Open wings. Beautiful one. Okay. Limited edition. 5 ounce. Huge and beautiful coin. The second one. Friends of Foyer. Friends of Foyer. Enormous dragon with large horns and spikes and full-cloaked woman in blue dress. We cannot see if it's blue or not. Dragon has a fierce, dangerous appearance, and the female stands confidently beside him as staff of the two are friends. Oh, no, sorry, it's not a Friends of Four. Is this one a Friends of Four? Yes, sorry. This what I explained was related to this Friends of Four. Beautiful one. So next one is Kindred Spirit. This is Kindred Spirit. Yeah. Unbelievably beautiful coins. Unbelievably. I'm glad to have them in my collection. It took me some time to buy 5 ounce, you know, but 500 only, and so beautiful creatures. Young woman of a royal position meeting with a dragon that it wraps security around a tree. Securely around the tree. A maiden rests her hand on the dragon tail while the two gaze knowing at each other. Beautiful. Okay, and the famous one, which is disappear. Water dragon. And they are going like 200 today on eBay, where, I don't know, I pay like 120 today. And it will happen with all of them. Once they disappear from sale, they will go 50-70% up to 100% up in value. And especially if you have the full complex like this, it's a good value. And it's good collection for you, right? Look on this small water dragon. She's looking into his eyes. Two friends. Beautiful. And the last one is this one. School Embrace. That's a really piece of art. I know they have this colorized version. You know, the scalp in one color, all the rest in another color. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful piece. Yeah, let me put, I don't even can handle it one piece, so it's 5. I hope it's the last one, so I just completed my collection. So what else I get? I get another package, just show you. What I'm buying. So I bought capsule for my 2 ounce coins. I believe they are. A little bit tough to open. Yeah, let me open one of them just to show you. Yeah, those are 2 ounce capsules. I usually buy 50 because I'm big fan of 2 ounce coins. They have 38mm, 40mm, 42. I usually buy 38 or 39, I don't remember exactly. So next time, watch my channel guys. Next time I will be doing this box, which is I already show you all my 5 ounce coins. I want to, you know, give more detailed review. Here there are like 5 kilo of silver, so I have some 5 ounce coins. I will show you what I have. It will be my next channel, and if you like, please subscribe, comment, you know, bring this notification, and then have a good day. Silver, Game of Thrones out. Bye bye.